talking, we were learning about spacecraft, space shuttle, all that. Everyone, can you mute it now, please?
I want to say that I don't have any book because I am in mother's house.
When you go to mother's house, you should carry book and come, Norisa, because you know you have a class, correct? Yes. Okay. Manav, Madhu, tell me, what is a spacecraft? Last class, we learned about so many different vehicles in the space. What is a spacecraft?
Ma'am, spacecraft is a is a vehicle used to go into space, ma'am.
Okay.
Without a spacecraft, we cannot go into space, ma'am.
Okay, fine. What is about Srihari space shuttle?
Ma'am?
Space shuttle. What do you mean by the word space shuttle?
Space shuttle, ma'am. It is a it is like a big spacecraft where astronauts live to study space and other heavenly bodies.
Okay. So, Siddhi, can you speak about what do you mean by spacecraft? Because Manav, Madhu give me a general description, but I did not get the proper spacecraft. They carry certain things. What they carry? The main importance of spacecraft is they carry some things for study. That's what I wanted. What they carry in the spacecraft?
A spacecraft carry either human beings or an artificial
human being or an artificial satellite.
Okay, or an artificial satellite. Okay. Kirtana, what do you mean by space station? What is a space station? Don't know.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Aditi, can you tell what is a space station?
Yes, ma'am.
Unmute Aditi, unmute and speak. Unmute your audio and then speak. Okay, can you hear her?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, she has some network issue. Okay. Janvi, you can continue. What is a space station, Janvi?
A space station is a place designed for astronauts to live and do research in space.
Okay, good. Sarah Maria, you have any idea what is the use of a rocket?
A rocket, we will that's a vehicle which we will send to the space from Earth.
What are the things that rocket can carry? Rocket
Space shuttle.
Space shuttle or
satellites.
Satellites and missiles, all these things. Okay, thank you. Now everyone muted. Okay, children. So a space shuttle, yes, a type of spacecraft can be reused many times. Space shuttle, not only this, there is some peculiar feature, means it can reused many times, can return back to Earth, and also we can send it to the space afterwards. So it is just like an aeroplane, we can handle the space shuttle. Okay, children. So what do you mean by now astronauts? So astronauts are the special pilots who fly spacecraft. So the definition of everyone knows who is astronaut, who are traveling in the space. But they also have a special duty and they also have a special function. So astronauts means the special pilots who fly spacecraft. That is the main definition of astronaut. We have aeroplane pilots.
Should we write?
Yeah, please write. So next heading, astronauts. Please write astronauts.
Can you hear me, ma'am, Aditi?
Now I can hear Aditi. Before your audio was not okay.
Yes, ma'am, my microphone access was off.
Okay. It's okay, Aditi. Now you can mute it. Next time we can. So the special pilots who fly spacecraft. So we have pilots who is flying the aircraft also, aeroplane also.
You wrote it already.
Yeah. So someone who did not write, you can write. And also we can see there are various pilots. Aeroplane also, a pilot, and army we have a pilots who play the fighter planes. So astronauts we are calling only for the people who travel in space and who fly the spacecraft. And you can see this is I have showed in the last class. It's a NASA spacecraft, and inside the NASA spacecraft you can see some of the astronauts are sitting.
Ma'am,
You can-
should we write that NASA spacecraft?
No. That is I just gave you a picture of this. How is and
So
you
we
can
should
see
only-
that you can see where their bags and everything. They are in the air. It is tied around, and they are sitting. Actually, they are sitting with the help of some artificial devices. Usually in the
Yes.
space
Yes, ma'am.
there is no gravitational forces less. So naturally things will fly. And usually even
even
the
in the
food
spacesuit.
items also they
Yes, ma'am.
store in a special cupboards which is also hanging to
Ma'am,
the different parts.
excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, when sometimes astronauts they will stay for years in space, ma'am.
Yeah, that's
So
the main thing. Mm.
yes, ma'am. So because of that, sometimes they will send small rockets with the food, ma'am.
Yes. And also
Ma'am.
sometimes spacecraft will get to some maintaining work. The engine may spoil. And from here, the other spacecraft and rockets. I mean, this is the space station actually. It's a space, they will be in the space station mainly meant for repairing the spacecraft. So space station already it is there. So whenever this spacecraft has some problem, they will bring the spacecraft with the help of remote control system. It will be coming and it will be get connected with the space station, and they will do the repairing, fill the fuel what is required, and again they will go for their thing. So this is the space station mainly not for doing research, also to do the maintenance and repairing work of the spacecraft already moving orbiting around the earth. So it is just like a service station. Sometimes space station also work for service station for all the spacecraft and to fill the fuel and all those things. Okay,
Yeah.
so that is the and yes.
I have to say something about the astronauts. Ma'am, in space, in outer space, when they're on the moon or like that, in outer space, they will wear the white suit because they need the air and the protection from the suit from the sunlight. But inside the space station, they will wear suits, the orange suits that we see in some of the photos when we search astronauts in Google.
The pumpkin suit.
Not that Srihari, they will also wear the normal dress sometimes.
Yeah, sometimes they will wear that orange, and sometimes when they will wear the regular suit, regular dress clothes.
Yeah, no, ma'am. But
They use
now,
orange.
ma'am, but now the orange suits are not used that as much as now. Ma'am.
Has a network issue.
Yeah, I think ma'am has a network issue.
Yes, I can't.
Ma'am, 28 participants.
When astronauts come back to Earth, they
Wait,
can't
wait.
walk
Ma'am's
properly.
not here.
What is
Ma'am is not
happening?
here.
What is happening? Are you all talking and making noise over there? All of
Ma'am,
you.
Siddhi is simply laughing, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Siddhi is simply
Siddhi
laughing.
always speak like this. Okay, Siddhi. Okay, children, I continue with it. As must have heard
Ma'am,
Siddhi.
I didn't.
Before that, I wanted to show you. This is everyone knows that this I showed you, and this is the three Indian origin women astronauts: Sunita Williams, Kalpana Chawla, and Shrestha Bandla. And you already know Kalpana Chawla and the crew. So these are the Kalpana Chawla's group who has died in the spacecraft exploded while they went for a mission. All the seven
The
of them.
spacecraft had some issue
All
and they
these seven
couldn't
of
land.
you is exploded in the space, and you cannot even get the debris. Why? It is, you know, whenever it is exploded, there is no gravitational force in the space. So naturally, all their dead bodies and whatever the parts of the spacecraft, it will be flying and it will maybe falling in, it is must be rotating the just like of other planets around some of the gravitational force. And it is, can you just keep quiet, Manav, Madhu now, everyone? Srihari, keep quiet. All of you mute it. I don't want to hear some of the kirkis sound. Who did not mute it now?
Mahadidev.
Everyone mute it. I don't want anyone to on the mute because it is disturbing me. Not moving. Okay, this is what I am telling that children, and already we know all the black hole and all that. So these people, when their spacecraft exploded, we did not get not a single body or nothing. We got it back because once they are exploded in the space, you will see in the space there is no gravitational force. So the objects which is above the space cannot return to the earth. The earth has to pull the things towards it. Then only these things will come down. But these people are away from the earth while they were dying. So that time, what must have happened? This is their conclusion, what scientists discovered. The debris means the remaining parts of the spacecraft and these people's bodies and all those things. And it must have been either sucked by a black hole or it must be orbiting, turn into the form of any other heavenly objects like stars and this and that, because once we human being is a chemical bodies, correct? So our body also chemically react if there is no life. So that is why our dead body is decaying, and this is the main reason you all are burning the dead body of your people, correct? After that, so Muslims and Christians, they will bury the dead body. Hindus, they will burn that. So why all this our human body is turning into ashes? If you are buried, it will turn into just like a compost waste. So because our is a chemical body. So that's the scientist who was investigating their death, they came to the conclusion that must be their body parts and the body parts of the spacecraft either sucked by the black hole or they must be chemically react with some of the stars or some of galaxies, and they must be turned into another heavenly object like that because of we are in chemical body. And not only that, some of them are thinking maybe some of the pieces may be orbiting another planet, we don't know. So see, there are so many mysteries around it. So universe, we explored, we found out so many things, but still there is no more. And I remember while that death is funeral ceremony, no cremation ceremony, they only kept the photo of the Kalpana Chawla because we cannot see anything, no, we didn't get anything. So that is how, and these are the some of the scientists, some of the astronomers who sacrificed their life for the science. Clear? So I think apart from all this, only Kalpana Chawla, who is Indian origin, has been died. Others still living. And Rakesh Sharma is now 98 years old. He is living in Tamil Nadu, Kunnu. He is still there. Okay. So I am now going to show you. So we almost completed the chapter. But only thing I want to show you some of the space mission has done by we Indians, and as well as you see Mangalayan, we Indians are already
Yeah,
landed
the
in,
Apollo 11 and all.
and in your textbook there was a 3 women's photo was given.
Yes,
They are the
Sunita
backbone.
Williams.
They are the backbone on the behind the success of the Mangalan. Okay, with the help of. So, see, women, all of you, you can do it. It's not only astronauts are not only part of a boys. For every no, every important mission in India, there are women. They were so much clever to launch that Mangalan. You know, there was a scientist who helped them, but still, we women reached everywhere. As I'm telling. So Kalpana Chawla is one of them. I'm now going to show